Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Today we are looking at my Bosch Series 8 WTW8756GBO2. This is my self-cleaning condenser heat pump tumble dryer with the One Direction spin. So what I am going to be doing is switching it on. Voila, and the interior light is now illuminated. And what I'm going to be doing is drying some pajama t-shirts. They're already dry, but I do, after I leave them dry up on the clothes horse, so hanging up on these, I normally then put them into the tumble dryer for 20 minutes just to sort of like soften them up a little bit and take out any residual creases before I fold them up and put them away, just to sort of like freshen it up a bit. Anyway, so what I've got are these dryer balls. There are 6 of these little all natural woolly dryer balls in the tumble dryer, and these are, whoops, let me just soften the bag. So these are wool dryer balls, STWIE, Stewie, organic, natural, 100% from New Zealand, woolly dryer balls. These are supposed to aid in the speed of the drying and pummel the creases out of garments and make them a little bit softer. So what I'm going to do is put in these t-shirts. These are all just like pajama t-shirts, so they don't need ironing. Well, as you know, I don't iron anything. Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. 4, 5, 6, 7 items in there. I'm now going to put this onto a warm timed program, which is manual. So it starts off as 20, and then you can use the finished button then to increase or decrease the time. I'm going to leave it on 20. So I'm going to shut the door, leave this now for 20 minutes, come back to you and see if I noticed any immediate difference in the laundry. In the drying. So I'm going to put this on to fast forward for you. Okay, so that's the 20 minutes up. No, I really genuinely can't see any difference at all. I don't know. This is more like a, what is this? Is this cotton? This is a mixed, can't really read it, worn off Primark pajama t-shirt. No, I can't say. Oh wow, yeah, they're super softer. It's really hard, I can't sort of like notice a huge difference. Maybe the difference is only slight, I don't know, but I can't tell. They're definitely not any sort of like, oh wow, yeah, they're noticeably not as creased as they normally are. I mean, they are lovely and soft, so I don't know whether that does anything to it, but I'm sure the natural wool has to be washed first before it can be sold. It would be full of God knows what, so it's gonna have to be some sort of like processed. It might be natural wool, but it's bound to be processed in some way. So does it still have the lanolin in it to sort of like go onto the clothes to make it softer? I really don't know, but I'm not going to be able to kind of say, wow, yes, definitely go out and buy it immediately. I don't know, maybe you guys have used them for years, but I'll leave them in there. They're not doing any harm, and that's a fact. But, oops, one of my balls just escaped. Free balling. Right, let's try it again. Let me finish off folding up this, and I'll put in another 6 t-shirts, and then I have a shirt, and I'll put that in on its own, and then we'll see if that makes any difference. Okay, so another 20 minutes has passed. No. Just the same as when I don't use them. Maybe a teensy-weensy bit softer to the touch. Maybe. I don't really know. Right, so I got one item left, which is a shirt. Just one shirt, and I'm going to put that in for 20 minutes. And let's see if I notice any big difference with that shirt. Oops. Okay, so this is the shirt. You can see the creases on it. So let's try that for 20 minutes. Okay, another 20 minutes done. Let's see how the shirt has come out. Just pull up the sleeves. Oh! To be honest, that is not bad. That's actually done quite well on the sleeves, especially because they were really kind of wrinkly. So, yeah. Okay, yes, I definitely do notice a little bit of a difference with this, with the shirt, compared to what it came out last time. So possibly we might be onto a winner there. That looks really good. So I'm just going to hang this straight up, and then the rest of the creases then was hardly any. They will fall out. And there we go, saved on the ironing. Ha ha! Normally I don't do one shirt. It's only because I have only one shirt that needed to be tumble ironed, and I wanted to try the dryer balls on one item. So that's not too bad. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. Okay, right, okay. It's convincing me slowly and slowly. So there we go. That is the demonstration there with the wool dryer balls. They weren't that expensive. They were about £13. I'd like to thank very much the person who bought me these from my Amazon wish list. They want to remain anonymous, which is absolutely fine, but I would like to say a great big thank you. You know who you are. Thank you so much. These will now live inside the tumble dryer. I'm just going to leave them in there. Oops, stay in there, sheepies. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.